Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very simple block. And what I'm using is using the 2-to-1 ratio size. So each of these measure 1.5 by 2.5. And what we need is we need a 2.5-inch square, two lighter of the smaller 1.5 by 2.5, two darker that are coordinated in the 1.5 by 2.5, and then I've got these that I think fit well with all the colors. So to begin with, we'll put the 2.5 square to the side, and then I'm going to take this pink and purple and I'm going to join those together, and then I'm going to take each of my lighter with the blue and do the same thing. Now with these components done, we're now going to take one of the darker or the paired up darker units and join it together with one of the lighter ones, and then we'll bring in our 2.5-inch square and we'll turn this one like this and we'll piece this together like that. With that be done, I'll just show you that I'm pressing them to the dark side, and what that does is we're now going to join these two units together, and I've got a seam going to the right and this one is to the left, so I'll be able to do a nice nesting job here like that, and I will pin these before I join them together. This is what it now looks like. I haven't pressed the center seam, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist it like this and be able to force it. So I've got one side going in one direction and one going the other, and then I could press it so that it's nice and flat. I do like to press them to one side. I just think they're a lot stronger that way, but that is my preference. So I now have each of the sections done to make up the one block. You can make a whole series of these and just step and repeat them to make a larger project. I did trim these down to 4.5 inches just to keep them neater. And the way I'm going to lay them out, I'm going to do it in groups of 4 so that the 2.5-inch squares are all facing to the outside so that it looks like that. So let me go ahead and join it, and then I'll join you back here. So here it is all done. It measures 8 inches finished or 8.5 unfinished, but hold on, because what I did is I made some larger size ones. So these are made out of the 2.5 by 4.5 inch potato chips, and I took a 4.5 inch square. So this side is the same as the smaller version. And then I did one that was in reverse where I just put a lighter color in the corners, but I kept everything else the same. And what I'll do is I'll include a picture near the end showing these stepped and repeated to show you what a larger quilt would make. These blocks measure 16 inches finished or 16.5 unfinished. So it's a good way to use up all those extra scraps of strips and potato chips that you might have in a bin. So until next time, like, share, comment, hype, do all that fun stuff so safely, and have a great day. Bye for now.